Here's a simple traditional method to make homemade red wine using grapes. This version is beginner-friendly, uses natural fermentation, and needs minimal equipment. Note: this is for personal use and not commercial production. Homemade red wine recipe, natural fermentation. Yield: about 2 to 3 liters. Time: 20 to 30 days for fermentation and settling. Ingredients: 2 to 3 kilo ripe red grapes, the sweeter the better. 500 grade to 1 kilo sugar, adjust based on grape sweetness. 1 to 2 liters filtered or boiled cooled water. Optional: a handful of raisins, boosts fermentation. Equipment needed: a large glass jar or food-grade plastic container, a clean cloth and rubber band or an airlock lid, a strainer or muslin cloth, clean glass bottles for storing. Make sure all equipment is clean and dry to avoid spoilage. Steps to make homemade red wine. 1. Prepare the grapes. Wash grapes gently and pat dry. Remove stems. Crush the grapes using clean hands or a potato masher. Transfer the crushed grapes and juice into your jar. 2. Add sugar. Add 500 grams of sugar first. More can be added later based on taste. Mix well so the sugar dissolves. 3. Add water. Optional. If grapes are very juicy, you may skip water. Otherwise, add 1 to 2 liters of water. Mix again. 4. Start fermentation. Cover the jar with a clean cloth or use an airlock. Keep in a cool, dark place. Stir the mixture once daily for 7 days using a clean spoon. You'll notice bubbles. This means fermentation is active. After 7 days, strain the mixture into another clean container. Add more sugar if you want a stronger or sweeter wine, up to another 300-500 grai. Cover again for 10-15 more days without opening. When bubbling stops, fermentation is done. The wine will look clearer, with sediment at the bottom. Bottle the wine. Carefully pour the clear wine into glass bottles, leaving sediment behind. Seal tightly. Optional: age the wine for 2+ weeks for smoother flavor. Tips for better wine. Don't wash grapes too hard. The natural yeast on the skin helps fermentation. Use only clean, dry equipment. If wine tastes too sharp, age it longer. If it tastes flat, add a little more sugar before fermentation ends. Do not use metal containers for fermentation. Do not tighten the lid completely during fermentation. Gas buildup can cause pressure. If you see mold, fuzzy white-green, discard the batch. If you want, I can also give you red wine with yeast, faster method, red wine without sugar, dry wine, flavored wines, strawberry, plum, cherry, etc. A short video script version of this recipe. Just tell me,